Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start a dropshipping business with no money? In this free mini course, I will show you exactly how to launch your first Shopify store, find winning products, and start selling all with zero upfront cost. Let's go. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. A customer buys from your store and a supplier ships directly to them. Your profit from the price difference. First of all, go to shopify.com and start your free 3-day trial. Then choose $1 per month starter plan for 3 months. No credit card is needed upfront for the trial. Choose a niche that's specific and in demand, like pet accessories, tech gadgets, or fitness gear. Use Google Trends or TikTok to spot what's hot. Use free tools like Temu or AliExpress. Create an account on Temu or AliExpress. Then TikTok search Amazon finds or TikTok made me buy it. Look for products with high demand, good videos, low price but high perceived value. Search on search on AliExpress, sorting by order and reviews. Instead of using paid apps like Deezers, start by manually adding products to Shopify. So open a new browser and search for Deezers. Or in Shopify, go to apps, then app and sales channel. Then click Shopify App Store. Search for Deezers. Or AliExpress dropshipping. Install it. After installing the Deezers app from Shopify, open the app and click Login and Authorize button. Then enter your Deezers account or create a new account if you haven't already. Click Login and Authorize. Then click Confirm. Then Upgrade Now or click here and pick a plan from the space. Just copy the image from AliExpress, write your own title and description, and set your price. Choose a free Shopify theme like Dawn. Go to online store. Then click Themes tab and choose a theme from here. Add your logo with Canva and set up essential pages like home page. Go to customize, home page, shop, then catalog about us contact, just click create a meta object template, then add definition, and then follow the process like name, description, fields, etc. Promote your store with zero budget by creating viral TikTok videos, posting product reels on Instagram, joining Facebook groups in your niche, use trending music, show the product in action, and a link to your store in bio. Add Shopify payments and PayPal so you can accept money. Be sure to verify your email and complete the business setup steps. Go to payment step and PayPal. Use PayPal so you can accept money. Be sure to verify your email and complete the business setup steps. When someone orders, go to your supplier like AliExpress or Temu, buy the item and ship it to the customer address. You will receive the difference as profit. That's how you start dropshipping with zero using Shopify. Focus on product, content, and consistency. Want a full course or store template? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and happy selling. From your products tab, you can add product manually. Just click add product from the right side bar. Then enter your title, product title, description. You can add picture in description like that, and then click save, enter price. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.